Hi guys, welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and web design and techtips.com. We got a great fun interactive one for you today. We're adding a little live Facebook feed to our Divi website here. Great little interactive feature to have on your site. People can scroll, they can comment, they can do all the things you can do on Facebook, but it's live and in real time on your website. So every time you update a post, it's going to update it live on your site too. Really easy to do. Let me take you through it. So here we have our site. As you can see down here, I've got a Facebook feed. And if I scroll down, you can see it's a live Facebook feed. So anytime I add a new post, it's going to pop up here. And you can comment, you can share, you can read the articles, do what you want with it. Really nice little feature to have on your website. Very easy to do. So let's enable a visual builder. Once enabled, we'll roll down, we'll get rid of this one, and we'll start from scratch. Okay, to do this today, we're going to use a free plugin called Divi Supreme Modules Lite. If you watch any of my other videos before, you know Divi Supreme is one of my favorite Divi plugins for adding functionality to your site. They've got a free version. You'll find the link down below. If you click on it, it's going to take you to this page. If you just roll down a little bit, you'll find Supreme Modules Lite right there. Hit the More Info button. It'll take you to this page explaining what modules you get. You get about 20 free modules and 2 premium extensions. Hit the Get Started button and you can download it from right here. And it's fairly lightweight. Once you've downloaded it, you can go to your dashboard, down to Plugins. We'll hit the Add New Plugin. Okay, to get this done today, we're going to use a free plugin called Divi Supreme Modules Lite. If you've watched many of my videos before, you may have noticed that Divi Supreme Modules is one of my favorite plugins, the Pro version, which has 4 extensions and about 50 modules to add to the functionality of the Divi theme. With the Lite version, it's absolutely free. You get 20 extra modules, and we've demoed plenty of those. We've got a little playlist down below if you'd like to learn more about the Lite version. Really great little plugin to add a bit of functionality to your Divi site. Today we're going to be using it for its Facebook module. Let's get back to the build. We want to upload this particular plugin. And you can either click on the Choose File button and download to your default download location. Or I'm using Google Chrome here, so it's in the bottom of my browser. I can just drop it up there and hit Install Now. I'm not going to do that because I've already got mine installed. But you need to install it. And once it's installed, hit the Activate button to activate it. Okay, once you've got it there, you'll see it listed in your dashboard menu over here. If you click on it, it'll take you to this page here. And we've covered several of these. We've got a little playlist about this plugin down below that'll demo most of these modules for you. Now we're going to be using a Facebook feed module for this today. So we actually have to go to Facebook and get an API key. To do that, if you go to your social media settings over here, I've already got mine, but you'll find a little link to take you to your Facebook developer site. Just click this. Make sure you're logged into the site that you want to share. You can go ahead and create an app here and get an API key. Once you've created your app, we can go back to our website here. You paste your new app ID in there. Make sure you save your changes. And should your site be of a foreign language, you can select this to make your Facebook feed match that same language. Great, so we're all ready to go now. Let's go back to our page. I'm now going to add a new module here. And if we roll down here, we'll start seeing some new little modules in this dark blue color here. And these are all the free ones that you get with Divi Supreme Modules Lite. Now here's the Supreme Facebook feed. That's the one we want today. I'm just going to click on it. And we've got the API key in there already. We can now pop in the URL of our page, whatever your page may be there. And as you can see, that live feed's popped up there already. Perfect, just what we wanted. Now if we look at this, you can decide whether to show the timeline, events, messages. You can hide the cover photo if you want to. You can choose to use a large or small header. Use small header, let's say yes on that one. Made it a bit smaller. You can show or hide the face pile, which is your friends and commenters' pictures. Let's hide that one. And you can choose to up or down the width down here. That's great, that's about the size I want it there. Obviously fix yours however you wish. The link down below is not going to do a whole lot because we're linking to our site. You can put a link in there if you want to take them to the regular page. But I'm going to leave it just like that so they can scroll through and read what they need to just on the regular site there. Background's not going to do a whole lot because it's actually going to be behind our feed here. So you may see a little spillage outside there. Just the back of the module. Perhaps if I turn it red, you'll see it. There we go there. So if you need to decorate it a little bit, you can do it that way. Let's just undo that. Over in the design, we've got alignment. It's fine in the middle. If you wanted to make it bigger or smaller, you could do so here. Default's 500 pixels, as you can see. You can make it bigger or smaller if you want to. As you can see, that's made it 7. I was actually happy with that 500, so I'm going to just delete that. As with most Divi, when you delete something, it'll go back to how it was initially. Fantastic. So I'm not going to change the width, the max width, or anything like that. We're pretty much done with this. Let's just save our changes. We need to make sure that it's going to work on the front end. Let's hit our little purple button here. We'll save draft or publish if you're ready. Let's get rid of our little download there and exit the Visual Builder. And there we have it. We've got a nice little live Facebook feed embedded into our little page here. Great little interactive feature. As we mentioned at the beginning of the video, we've actually done this before by going to developer and using an embed code. But with this free Divi Supreme Modules plugin, all you need is an API key and you're all set up, ready to go. Really nice little interactive, eye-catching feature to have on your site. Fantastic. So there we have it. There's how to add a little live Facebook feed to your Divi theme WordPress site. As you can see, really easy to do. Great little interactive feature to have on there. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, because it's always great to hear from you. Share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget, if you've got any questions, pop them down below. I'll do my best to answer them for you or make a little demo video just like this one. And I really do appreciate your comments because they give me ideas to make future videos, hopefully, that are going to help you guys out. If you've enjoyed this today, there's a Divi Supreme Lite playlist. It should pop up over here any minute now if you want to learn more. And we've also got one for the Divi Supreme Pro if you want to learn more about that. They're both awesome plugins. So once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.